Puppy Jake Foundation began about 10 years ago. It was the vision of our founder, Becky Beach, when she realized that there was very much a need to match dogs with veterans in particular for anxiety or PTSD, or some of our dogs actually provide mobility.
I foster a variety of dogs from puppies down to when they go to their actual veterans. So they live with me 24/7 and they train 24/7. Drake here is a phase 3 dog, meaning he's, 3/4 the way through his training schedule. And him right now, he's working on learning how to pick things up, how to shut doors, how to behave, and they have to learn to hurry up and stay. A really, really good service dog, you won't know he's there.
A success story for us is improving the quality of life of a veteran. It allows them to interact with people in a way that they haven't in a very long time.
I can see the difference that it makes when these dogs go to their veteran. So if I can do one small thing and help them be successful in life and be able to live a better life, it's just amazing. And it's amazing to me to see the impact, and you can see it.
To be able to serve these people who served us is just a matter of making us so proud to be able to give them something back, to hopefully make them whole or as close to whole as we can be.